In this video, we will be demonstrating how to combine columns in Magic ETL and Domo. The first step to combining columns is ensuring that you have an input dataset. Without an input dataset, we will have no data to reference and combine. It is always a best practice to name your data flow. We will name our data flow Combine Column Sale Data. Under the Text Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen, you will find the Combine Columns tile. Drag that tile onto your canvas. Connect your Combine Columns tile to your Input Dataset tile. For this example, we will be combining first and last names. Name the new combined column. We will use a semicolon to separate the combined values. You can choose to remove the original columns. Today, we will keep them. Now, we will select the first name column and the last name column to combine. Create and connect an output dataset for this new column to reside. Now, let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have successfully combined first name and last name. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.